Hello and welcome. When I first learned Django for web development, I had binge-watched thousands of videos thinking I was productive. But in reality, I was stuck in the tutorial hell. I just tried to chase a dopamine hit from consuming content rather than getting my hands dirty. When I free myself from this constant loop, I start to make real progress. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step approach to get out of the tutorial hell. The experiment only has 2 steps, so no excuse for not taking action. Without further ado, let's dive in. The first step is solving coding interview questions. There are a lot of free questions on LeetCode. I suggest you start with Apply 75. You don't have to solve hard problems, but I highly recommend you finish on easy and medium ones. Start with easy first, then move on to medium. The reason why I recommend you solve coding interview questions is because it is the fastest way to help you have some fun with coding. If you want to stick with coding long term, you need a positive feedback loop. You cannot just struggle with your bug forever. And this can be achieved when you successfully solve a LeetCode problem. Once you finish all of these questions, you will see an improvement in your coding skill. The second step is building your first project. I highly suggest you start with a front-end application because it is the easiest option. You only need some basic knowledge with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And you may ask me, how can I find project ideas? I always believe that the best project idea comes from your problems. If you want to find a job, build a simple job board. If you're into cooking, you can build a website that shows your favorite recipe. Once you build something that solves your old problems, it's much easier to feel motivated and get it done. Let's take the job board example. You can build something similar to the Lincoln's home feed. The first thing is to have a small plan. You can break the website into smaller components. In computer science, this is called decomposition. The Lincoln homepage consists of the search bar to search for jobs, the sidebar to show profile information, and the main feed that shows people's posts. Once you have a plan, it's time to build. And at this stage, the only resource you need is Google, nothing else. Forget about the web dev simplified guy with handsome hair. If you are stuck, just Google until you figure it out. I believe 99% of web development problems have been solved and documented by someone else. You just need to find it. You will learn how to be resourceful, and this will make you become a better programmer. And there you have it. Those are the 2 steps that I personally took to get myself out of the tutorial hell. It worked for me, so I believe it will work for you too. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That supports the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.